Hi, today I am going to teach you how to form and when to use the present subjunctive mood. The present subjunctive allows one to convey the unknown or the desired. This mood is first formed by taking the yo form of a present verb. Secondly, the o on the end must be eliminated. Finally, replace the o with the alternate endings so that an AR verb, such as hablar, will become hable in the yo form, hables in the tu form, hable in the third person singular form, hablemos in the nosotros form, and hablen in the third person plural form. Repeat this with the ER verb, such as comer, which will become coma, comas, coma, comamos, coman, and the IR verb, such as vivir, which will become viva, vivas, viva, vivamos, vivan in the present subjunctive. The 6 irregulars for this form the acronym DISHES. D for dar, I for ear, S for ser, H for haber, E for a star, and S for saber. Dar becomes de, des, de, demos, den. Ear becomes baya, bayas, baya, bayamos, bayan. Ser becomes sea, seas, sea, seamos, sean. Haber becomes aya, ayas, aya, ayamos, ayan. Estar becomes este, estes, este, estemos, esten. Finally, saber becomes sepa, sepas, sepa, sepamos, sepan. The key aspect to learning the subjunctive is knowing when to use it. The present subjunctive can only be used when there are two different subjects and the preposition k, which means that, is present. The subjunctive form should look like this. The first subject should be followed by a verb conjugated in the present tense, followed by the preposition k, followed by the second subject, which is followed by a verb conjugated in the subjunctive form. The present tense verb will always indicate the subjunctive. Use the acronym WEIRDOS to help remember which types of present tense verbs set up the subjunctive. If it deals with wishing or wanting, emotions, impersonal, reactions, doubt, ohala, or searching, subjunctive will follow. Right now, I am only going to focus on the W for wishing and wanting, E for emotions, I for impersonal, and D for doubt. Wishing or wanting verbs such as desear, esperar, decir, recomendar, and mandar set up the subjunctive. Emotion verbs like agradar, disgustar, encantar, importar, or sorprender also indicate the subjunctive. Impersonal phrases like es bueno que, es malo que, or es increíble que signal the use of the subjunctive mood. The presence of doubt in verbs like dudar or the phrase no es cierto que again require the use of the subjunctive. The example, I want that they eat dinner, uses querer, a wishing or wanting verb, to indicate the subjunctive in comer. The example, Maria is surprised that Juan gets bad grades, uses sorprender, an emotion verb, to force the subjunctive on sacar. The example, it is good that we don't have school today, uses the impersonal phrase es bueno que to signal the subjunctive for the verb tener. The example, I doubt that the exam is easy, presents doubt through the verb dudar, causing ser to become subjunctive. Well, that is all that I have to say about the present subjunctive today. Muchas gracias, and I hope that you learned a lot. Thank you.